land. That's where you can find a lot of Pokemon, a lot of rare Pokemon for all the Pokemon Go players. There's about 7 million Pokemon Go players in Mexico City. So if you're a fan of Pokemon, you'll find it all over this place. Right now, we are going over the favelas. So, you know, if we were to get outside of this cable car and walk around in these neighborhoods, we should probably bring out all of our pesos and wear jewelry, at least 2 Rolexes and about 5 gold chains. That's probably the best way to walk around these neighborhoods. You should probably have about 2 million pesos on you, like a fat stack, kind of like a triple hamburguesa. These are where some of the best football players in the world come from. Very specialized in football. So if you think that you're the next Ronald Rodingo, you should come over here and try your game out. But yeah, man, I just bought a bunch of socks from this neighborhood. I was walking around. I just bought a bunch of socks. We got, Pikachu, Charizard, bunch of stuff. About like 50 pairs of socks. Cost me about $5 in this neighborhood. So, you could really run it up. But